Research has always been at the heart of Johns Hopkins' promise of medicine. This year, we've seen an exceptional run of headline-worthy advances. These are Johns Hopkins Medicine's 2015 research highlights. One discovery is destined to change biology textbooks because it alters scientists' understanding of tiny cellular molecules called ribosomes. In a process known as translation, ribosomes make proteins based on blueprints within strings of genetic material called mRNA. It turns out that if ribosomes aren't taken apart at the right time, they can begin translating within a region of RNA known as the untranslated region. While the full consequences of this extraneous translation are still being worked out, it does seem as though the untranslated region deserves a new name. The deadliest cancers evade the immune system with an arsenal of clever defenses. To counter them, researchers used magnetic nanoparticles to teach specialized immune cells what threats to attack. The team further activated the cells and collected them with a magnetized column, then multiplied them thousands of times. The hope is to develop tailored cancer treatments that deploy the patient's own army of souped-up cells. This next bioengineering feat could be good news for premature babies and people suffering from devastating intestinal diseases or injuries. Researchers created functional implantable pieces of intestine by coaxing the right mix of cells to grow and work together within a biodegradable tube. The lab-grown guts were then used to completely heal injured dog colons, an encouraging result that could lead to repairs in people. A year after the Ice Bucket Challenge brought unprecedented attention to ALS research, 2 studies found that clogged cells may cause ALS, and in some cases, dementia. One research group discovered how clumps of the protein TDP43 harm human nerve cells. Another found that unruly RNA molecules clog protein transport within brain cells. The potentially good news for patients is that both groups also found ways to clear the clogs. Finally, a new imaging technology under development could give surgeons an assist in removing as much of a brain tumor as possible while leaving healthy tissue intact. The technology generates color-coded maps of the brain and could help eradicate a patient's cancer while preventing permanent disability. Learn more about these and other efforts to fulfill the promise of medicine at hopkinsmedicine.org/research. While you're there, sign up for our newsletter, Fundamentals, to receive monthly updates on Johns Hopkins Medicine's most exciting research news.